Hello, let's learn why it is important to tell you that you are successful. Are you really successful? Of course, you are 100% successful. If you have witnessed today, it means you have left your yesterday behind, so also everything of that day. You have been successful enough to beat the yesterday. It's a time for a new beginning that will lead you towards a successful today. Every morning, what shall you do without fail? If you want to win your today, in the morning, the first thing you shall do is to tell you that here too you have been successful. Why is it necessary to tell you that you are successful? It's because what you tell you in the beginning of the day will define your today and nothing else. How do your thoughts define your today? If you will think that you are successful, you shall certainly feel confident enough to face your daily work of whatever nature happily. If you will think the reverse, it will drain up your energy and will definitely impair your today. What else is the effect of it on your daily business? You will surely start thinking creatively once you are convinced that you are successful, means your plan here too has worked for you. It's always motivating to know that your hard work has been fruitful. What more can it serve you? The feeling of being successful will certainly assign you a confidence to set a new goal, chalk out a new plan, and new schedule, and a new beginning. Because when you feel you are successful, will also tell you to move ahead to a new destination. This is what we call as our journey towards growth. Why to consider each new day a new beginning? It's because physically you have left your yesterday behind, so there's no point to count upon its successes and failures. If you do this, you will set a goal of yet another day of failure. Anyhow, you need to stay away from it. What will it do to you if you will indulge in your yesterday? If you will unnecessarily think of the past, you are wasting your precious time that can be used to reach yet another milestone of success in your life, aren't you? Why is it necessary to move ahead? It is because it's a rule of the universe to go ahead, irrespective of whatever situation, and we have to follow it most peacefully, like even the sun and the moon do. Give a deep thought to it all and take a right decision for today. Did you find this video useful in any sense? If yes, please like and share it. Also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive videos regarding English language, motivation and more. Thank you. What is my next video about? In my next motivational video, you shall learn the importance of three things: vision, mission, action for personal grooming. See you soon.